This is the Cuisinart Salt, Pepper, and Spice Grinder. It's rechargeable and cordless. You just charge it by placing it in the base and plugging it in. When the red light here lights up, it will be completely charged. And let me just show you the unit. It has a stainless steel housing. It's really easy to hold. It's not heavy at all. And you operate it just by pressing the button here. And you can take it to the stovetop if you want to season anything that you're cooking on the stovetop with salt and pepper, or you can actually take it anywhere to the counter or even outside, use it near your barbecue. It's really handy for that. So let me show you how all the features and benefits. So in the base here where you charge your unit, this notch needs to be engaged in the back of this spice grinder. And you just put it in like this and make sure it's in the proper place. Otherwise, it won't properly charge. The other thing that you'll notice in the back here is the lock and unlock button. And you just twist this, and that allows you to open the grinder, and that's how you can refill it. The nice thing about this being transparent is that you know when you need to put more salt, pepper, or spices in. So all you need to do to engage it is line it up, the two arrows, like so, and then twist to make sure that you lock it into place. So line up the two arrows to either disengage it or re-engage it, like so. And the same thing for the other side. You turn it over, just twist to unlock it, and then twist again to put it back in place. Now, I just want to show you something in the bottom of the base. There's a little tray here that you just push up and remove, and that'll catch any of your remnants so that it's easy to clean when you put the grinder in the base. Now, I want to show you on this side, there's a little cap, and you just lift it up, and the really great thing about this is that when you grind into it, it's exactly a 1 teaspoon measure. So if you have a recipe that calls for 1 teaspoon or even a tablespoon of pepper, all you have to do is grind this once for 1 teaspoon or fill it 3 times for 1 tablespoon. So that's really nice. Let me just show you how that works. I'm going to turn it over and just press. And I'm just going to take it off so you can see. And see how it's started to fill up with pepper. I'm going to put that back on and turn it over because I want to show you the bottom here. So on the bottom of the unit, this is where you can adjust your fineness or coarseness of your grind, whatever you're using, and you just turn this and you go clockwise for fine, and it has 5 settings, and then you go counterclockwise for coarse. So I've turned it all the way to the right, and that's for fine, and then the other way, the same. So that is our rechargeable Cuisinart salt and pepper grinder, and you can also do spices like I said. Let me just show you really quickly. I'm just gonna season the salad so you can see how quick and easy it is. I'm just gonna dump out the grinds I did before of the pepper. So just hold it over your bowl, one hand. You can do pepper and then turn on the other side. And on the bottom, you can switch the cap to either side, it fits, but on the bottom, the part that fits into the stand doesn't need a cap. There you go. It's convenient, it's easy, it's a great gift for somebody, and you can use it anywhere in your kitchen or even outside by your grill. It's the Cuisinart Salt, Pepper, and Spice Grinder.
The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder combines high performance with classic styling to deliver gourmet results every time. Flawless fingertip control lets you grind enough beans to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, quickly and with minimal noise. And the bowl, blade, and cover are dishwasher safe. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
everyone. Today we're going to be checking out our new herb grinder. Alright, our packaging is going to come with everything that you're going to need, including your base and your grinder, your charging cable, a cleaning brush for your base, a cleaning brush for your grinder, and then 2 different stopper sizes. Alright, and with your base, you're going to have the option to put a paper tube in here if you're grinding tobacco or another type of herb. Our electric grinder is going to have a bi-directional motor, so it's going to grind your herbs 20 times faster than your typical hand grinder. This is going to help you save time and energy while grinding your herbs. In total, our herb grinder is only going to weigh 1 pound, so it's going to be very portable. The USB-C charger is going to allow it to charge extremely fast. We're going to go ahead and put a stopper on the bottom so our herbs don't fall out, but we're not going to put a rolling paper in there. We're going to go ahead and open our herb grinder, and as you can see, it's going to be extremely simple to just go ahead and evenly layer your herbs in there. Alright, so we got some herbs here that are dried out, but you can see they're not very finely chopped up. Alright, as you can see, we have them evenly distributed in our herb grinder. We're going to go ahead and close it up and go ahead and get started. Alright, on our grinder, we're going to have a small plastic divider. If you go ahead and pull it out, it's going to go ahead and close this opening right here. So it's going to keep all your herbs right in here. And if you go ahead and push that in, you're going to see it's going to open up, and that's going to allow your herbs to fall out.